everyone. Welcome back to Tasty Yet Healthy. I'm Tracy and this is my kitchen. And this is where every week I bring you recipes that I make for my family right here in my own kitchen. And today we're making pizza. That's right, but it's Pita Pizza. So it's a tasty yet healthy treat that everybody loves, whether it's lunch, dinner, or a snack in between. Let's get cooking. All right, so we are making a very easy family favorite here. It is Pita Pizzas. You can use whatever toppings you want, but the trick is we're gonna make them tasty yet healthy today. So we're using pita instead of another kind of pizza dough. Pita is gonna be our base. We can either use pesto or marinara sauce. And then we're gonna put whatever toppings that you prefer. Of course, kids love pepperoni. So today we're using the Applegate pepperoni. These are humongous pizzas. It fills the whole thing. The kids love it. And on a more veggie side, we're gonna go with mushrooms, spinach, some sun-dried tomatoes. And we have two different kinds of cheese, some organic cheddar cheese already shredded here, and then we have a block of the Kerrygold grass-fed cheese that we're going to shred. So let's put them together. Okay, so as you can see, we made two different kinds of pizza here. Super easy to make. The oven is on a high broil, and believe it or not, it's only gonna take 2, maybe 3 minutes to get a nice meltiness to the cheese, and it'll be all done. If you like to heat up your pita beforehand, you could throw it in the oven on the broil for only about 30-45 seconds or so to get it warm, and then put your toppings on it and then put it back in the oven. So in it goes for just a couple minutes. They're all done. I can already smell them. And they're sizzling, golden brown on the top, all ready to eat. We just need to slice them up and taste it. All right, so our pizzas were done in no time. And like I was saying, this is a go-to family favorite. The kids make theirs all by themselves all the time. Keep the ingredients on hand. It's a snack and treat, lunch, dinner that you can feel good about, know that your kids are eating good, and not feel guilty that you're eating pizza. So let's try it out and see how it tastes. I'm going with the one with the mushrooms and the spinach because that's my favorite. Pizza is one of my favorites. I love it. I love Italian all the way around. So give it a try. Let me know if you've ever used pita for pizza crust, or what is your go-to pizza crust that's easy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Check out some of my other tasty yet healthy meals, and I'll see you next time right here in my kitchen.